passports and boarding passes ready?
Yes, madam.
Miss Maryjane.
Thank you.
Overhead the storage compartments or under the seats in front of you. Luggage and bags which do not fit in the spaces provided should be handed over to the cabin crew so it may put it in the cargo compartment. Once again, welcome on board. Thank you.
خانه مسافرین محترمی که به مقاصد دیگر سفر دارند لطفا در صورت نیاز به کمک با نماینده شرکت هوایی کامیر که در بیرون از طیاره منتظر شما هستند به تماس شوید. تشکر.
Oh, my beautiful Afghanistan. I'm so happy to be here. The Lord is my shepherd. I lack nothing. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for His name's sake. Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I fear nothing, for He's with me. His rod and His staff, they comfort me. He prepares a table before me in the presence of my enemies. He anoints my head with oil, my cup runs over. Surely goodness and mercy, they follow me everywhere I go. And I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever.